Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. We got a 2017 Kenworth W900 factory cat glider built with a 3406, 550 cat, 18 speed, full lockers, 576 on the clock. Gotten it hot. I'm going to do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, frame rails, blow by, tires, brakes, and finish up on the inside. Show you everything just like you're standing here. Let's get started. Great tires. Blow by is excellent. Southern truck, no rust. Excellent look to this one. Extended cab option, love that. No cracks in the fenders, hood, none of that. Looks good. One little ding on the grill surround right there. A couple scratches on the edge. Really good looking for the year and the miles. Back of the cab looks good. Air slide fifth wheel. Got excellent rubber in the rear. Fenders look like they're in good shape. All 24/5 tires. Love the extra room you get with the extended cab. Clean on the inside. There's your locker switches, extra gauges. See that it's at operating temp. Excellent low side oil pressure. Super responsive. Oil pressure climbs well into the 60s. Love that aspect. Guys, appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck that we've got, give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.